You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. Rise to the challenge in style in this handsome Pathfinder. This 3-row SUV offers standard driver assist safety features, impressive towing ability, thoughtful family-focused amenities, and a smooth, quiet ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate, heated rear seat, premium sound system, aluminum wheels. Take every project in stride with this versatile Pathfinder. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.